Yo, what's up, guys? After so many rainy days, it's finally dry here in Vancouver. And today I'm taking my baby for a wash. Not like a baby, my baby right over there. So I call it the money machine, and you guys are coming with me. So let's go. Oh, and yes, ignore the mess behind me. I just got done with my laundry. So when I come back, I'm gonna do it. So yeah, we just. That's my coin hack. So at the car wash, they don't accept cash. They only accept card or they accept coins. And if I take cash with me and I change to coins, or if I take my card and I swipe it there, then they're gonna charge a fee, and the fee is very expensive. So you saw my hack. So I put coins in these piggy banks just for my car wash. Whenever I get the pennies, loonies, toonies, whenever I get them, I put it in the piggy bank and I only take it out when my baby needs a wash. So let's go. Okay guys, we are here and I am not going to the automatic one. I like washing it by myself though. Rinse, I think rinse. Okay, we just have 3 minutes to wash it. Let's go. Actually, I put the soap first. Okay, so now we have 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Okay, so now we are done with the foam brush. Now I'm gonna wash it. Now I'm gonna switch on the defrost mode so that it starts to dry by itself. See, defrost car. So this mode basically heats up the interior. I don't have to do the windows at least. Done with the wash, and now it's time for vacuum. So for vacuum, you look over there, that detail station. So you can do your vacuum over here. And there's trash also, but I'm not gonna park here. I'm gonna take it on the other side. There's more space there. I'm gonna do it here. This is the perfect spot. For $2, I get 6 minutes of vacuum. And if I wanted ultra power, then it's gonna cost me $2 for 3 minutes. But I'm gonna take the 6 minutes one. It's sufficient for me. So let's go. I'm gonna throw the garbage first. Do you guys see the mats? Well, this is the passenger side, and that's my side over there. That's the mess I've created in like past 2 weeks. What's my watch doing over here? I don't think I need anything from here. So many bills I have which are useless. Look what we have here, a drone. But I'm gonna return it anyways. I bought it for my brother, but he didn't like it. Look what I found. I was looking for it all this while. Okay, let's take out the mats. Do you guys see how dirty it is? That's all because of the rain. Okay, we're gonna start with the front first. Shit's fucking broken. I fucking paid for a broken one. Oh. Okay, we are just left with like 2 minutes, and I think 2 minutes are enough. looks much cleaner than before. Okay guys, we are done. If you guys like the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.